How to enable Snapchat disappearing message. In order to enable disappearing message on Snapchat, you could simply follow these steps. Make sure you're updated or you've updated the app to the latest version, as well as you're connected to a Snap or stable internet connection. Now then, go ahead and open up the chat screen by swiping up from the camera. Then you could go ahead and press and hold on a friend's group name, just like this. After which, you want to make sure to go ahead and select chats and notification settings. Once you've done that, you want to make sure to go ahead and look for delete chats. Select your preferred disappearing time. After viewing, message disappear as long as they are read and chats is closed. You could also go to 24 hours after viewing or 7 day after viewing as well. And this is how you'll be able to enable Snapchat disappearing message. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you're not able to find the option, then you might have to update the app as well. So consider doing that too.